Hey everyone, welcome back to The Dish. I'm so excited. It's time for some DIYs, and here to help us is Trending with Signature. Mike, what's going on?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. You're looking fabulous.
Hey, it's been a fun summer. I've been staying busy.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm so excited because we're going to have a little bit of fun. You know, fall's coming up.
That's right.
And so a good time to entertain some folks, and if you're not good at place settings and table settings, you want to dress things up a little bit and it be a little easy.
That's right. As an interior designer, you know, I know it's all about the details.
Yes.
So even when you're casually having friends over, you can still create a moment by doing some fun little things.
Dressing it up with some things that maybe you already have in the home.
That's right.
What are we doing today?
Let's start with this piece here.
Okay.
Look, it looks like an aloe vera, right?
Yes,
and this
I
could be
love
like a
this.
communal, like the fork and silver, you know, all of this. And we're using a paper napkin, and I'm just folding it in amongst itself.
Yeah.
A lot of this is just playing. I have to thank my friend Patty from Indiana.
Hey, Patty.
She turned me on to some of this, so
Okay.
that's why I thought
Gotta
I
give
would
her a
do this
shout
today.
out.
Yeah, and you just place these in here like this,
This is
and look how
cute.
fun that is. It
Like if you're
creates.
having a little themed party.
That's right, you
All
know.
I need is a margarita machine now.
That's isn't that fun? Everybody can come along and get their napkins, you know, and that
Yeah.
beats tearing off a paper towel like we all do.
Absolutely. Yes.
You know, so
Have some fun.
yeah, I'm
Have some
taking
fun.
a red. You know, we can use cloth napkins,
Yes.
and around town I shopped last week to get these colored napkins. We can make a bow with a red napkin if we're a little more formal, let's say,
Okay.
and a napkin ring. Let's see.
Stuff that in there. So you just make a little bow, kind of fold it.
Fold it in amongst itself,
Okay.
and learn it. You know, kind of learn as you go along.
Right.
I could show you some of these
Look at
details,
this.
but yeah, look how cute.
People, I mean, typically you're going to take one of these rings and just put it
Yeah,
like this.
it might be boring like that
Right.
when you can make a pretty bow like
And
this.
these are, you know, creative ways to dress up the table.
That's
and it'd
right.
be super simple.
Look how pretty and elegant
like,
that is.
perfect for Christmas,
Isn't?
too.
Yeah, absolutely,
Love
absolutely.
that.
Let's say we're doing an Italian dinner. You can put, as opposed to putting a bread basket on the table, give everybody their bread, wrap it up, and you know I found these.
Individualize
Yeah,
it.
and put your little name tag in there. Look how nice that is.
A place setting, there you go as well. But you have a nice little surprise in there, some bread.
That's right. That's right. And I just took some twine and pulled this napkin together, and it's a big leaf.
Cool.
And look how nice it looks layered on a
Yeah.
plate like this.
Give it some, I love the animal print. We were just talking about how animal print's coming back in.
I
too.
love it. I'm folding a napkin. Sorry, I can't give you all the details. I know we don't have a ton of time. But I folded a napkin, and I'm making a pocket here.
Okay.
And then I'm putting my little mini split of champagne in
There
here.
it is.
So everybody could have, I mean, this could be possibly a wedding, and then everybody,
Yeah.
how fun
Party
would it be
favor.
for everybody at the table to open their champagne together?
Yes.
You can do
Pop
a
some bubbly.
name tag around there if you'd like.
I love this.
Yeah, isn't that fun?
See, it always helps when you have somebody that can be creative for you, and then you don't have to really think.
The
or search
parfait
for it.
that I made.
I thought it was ice cream. I
This
was
is
like,
a
what is
napkin,
that?
and
Ice cream?
you lay your napkin down and you use the mixer. I don't cook. I think
Yeah.
that's called a blender mixer. I don't know what it's
A
called.
hand mixer. Right.
Yeah, we'll call
This
it a
is
napkin mixer.
Our cooking for today.
Yeah, so I have this here. I've made an envelope
That's
out of this
cute.
one, and you open it up, and inside is the menu for the evening.
How perfect is that? You
Isn't that great?
wondering what you're eating?
Anna's
I like
coming
that
to a
little
lot
envelope.
of
I am.
parties.
I'm coming to your parties, which
This-
you throw great parties.
This is one of my favorite ones. So this is a napkin that I'm rolling, and I want this to look like ocean waves. And
roll that on
just
up.
roll that up like this, make a little boat with a name tag on here like this.
They're not
Put this in
difficult
here.
things to do.
Look how fun that is.
I love it.
Isn't that great?
Yes. And of course, our last one.
Last one, I've got
See
a...
if we can get it in. We're wrapping things up
Yeah.
here, Mike. Look at this.
I've got
Look at this.
an orange napkin. I've got a cinnamon stick, and
Put
look.
it in there. Oh, a little pumpkin.
We have a little
Perfect for
pumpkin.
the fall, because we're extra.
How's
I love
that?
it. Mike, thank you so much for joining
Always
me. I
fun.
really
Thank you for having
appreciate
me.
it. Guys, don't go anywhere. When we come back, Olivia's out of town, but she's sending us our life hack. Don't miss it. We'll be right back.